I went into that original Mattress Factory, and of course, a gentleman approached me, a salesperson, waiting for some type of spiel. But what he did is he asked me about my sleep and my mattress. He said, "What do you like about your mattress and what do you dislike about your current mattress?" And I told him, I make a depression in my mattress, and it's like a black hole with its own gravity. So no matter what part of the mattress I sleep on, I end up waking up in that black hole. And he deduced that the best thing for me would be to have a very firm mattress with a reinforced side. And he took me over to the show area where they had that particular mattress. I sat on it. I loved it. I like the fact that it definitely was being built right there in front of my eyes. It really made a difference to me. I can't imagine someplace else that would have a better service staff or better delivery people or a better experience overall. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your sleeping time. You want to go straight to your closest original Mattress Factory.